Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be taking a look at the Phanteks RGB LED strip combo set and also showing you how to install it on a PC with Gigabyte RGB Fusion. This set from Phanteks is one of the cheapest LED starter kits available, coming in at around $20 or around €20 on average in Europe. Inside the box you have everything you need to get started. The two LED strips are 40 cm long and are encased in a waterproof white silicone material. Each strip has 21 full color RGB LEDs, and there are integrated magnets spaced every couple of inches along the length of the strip for attaching to the interior of steel PC cases without the need for adhesive. There's a cable to connect the strips to a 12V 4-pin RGB header on your motherboard and a 4-pin extension cable. A small user manual is included with some basic installation instructions, and there are some pre-cut 3M adhesive strips. But they aren't very good, which is something I'll come to later in the video. Since there isn't much space in many PC cases between the power supply and the GPU, you'll probably find that you need to remove your graphics card for installation. My motherboard is a Gigabyte B550M board with a header for Gigabyte RGB Fusion. One thing to be very careful about is to plug the cable into the motherboard the right way round. If you look at the connector, one of the end pins is labelled as 12 volts. This has to be plugged into the 12V pin on the motherboard, which should also be marked. Otherwise the LED strips could burn out. After plugging it into the motherboard, you just need to connect the other end of the cable to the connector on the first LED strip, and then you can daisy chain the second LED strip using the included extension cable if you need to. Once it's all connected correctly, the LED strip should light up when the PC is turned on. For installation in the case, you can either use the magnets on the strips themselves or the included 3M adhesive strips. However, I found the 3M adhesive to be next to useless, as it doesn't stick to the silicone covering the strips. There's literally no adhesion whatsoever. So that leaves the magnets as the preferred option for installation. I ended up installing both strips in the top of the case because that's where the most unobstructed bare steel was available. Any excess cable can be bundled together with plastic ties and then tucked away behind the edge of the case where it won't be seen. The strips are easily controlled with Gigabyte's own RGB Fusion 2 software. You can select a single solid colour from the colour wheel or choose from one of the following built-in preset lighting modes. So overall, there's a lot to like about these strips. They're cheap, relatively easy to install if you ignore the included adhesive and use the magnets instead. The kit includes everything you need and they use very little power at just 280 mA. On the negative side, the 3M adhesive strips included are just not fit for purpose as they don't stick to the silicone casing on the strips, and the magnets themselves could do with being a little stronger. Other than that, there's no reason not to recommend this kit to anyone looking for a good value entry-level RGB lighting kit to add RGB to their PC without spending a lot of money. That's it for this video, thanks for watching.